Carnival Breeze tips to make your cruise a blast. I will help you find the best places on board, save money, get freebies, and more. Tip number 1, get a free bottle of wine when you book the Fahrenheit 555 Steakhouse for the first night of your cruise. An amazing menu. Take a look at it here. This is a great option. Fahrenheit 555 has delicious steaks. If you book for the first night, it's not only quieter, you're not only likely to get a better table and better service, more attention, but you get a free bottle of the house red or house white wine, or they'll give you 50% off of any other bottle. What a great freebie. Tip number 2, enjoy pub food with your beer at Red Frog Pub. Carnival Breeze is one of only 2 Carnival ships featuring a Red Frog Pub Grub menu. Here's a sample menu: delicious bar food like the crispy coconut shrimp, spicy firecracker Jamaican wings, appropriately Caribbean conch fritters, and much more. While you're there, enjoy some games, some live music in the evenings, and of course, great beer. Tip number 3, win big with a breath of fresh air in the new non-smoking casino. You can find this new non-smoking casino at Midship on Deck 4. If you enjoy information like this, be sure to give us a thumbs up. We would appreciate it. Tip 4, for a quieter experience, avoid staterooms directly above or below public areas. On Carnival Breeze, this means beware before booking rooms on decks 2, 6, and the midship and aft areas of deck 9. Tip number 5, head to the lanai on deck 5 for hot tubs with amazing views and complimentary Guy's Pig and Anchor barbecue at lunchtime. Delicious brisket, pulled pork, awesome sides too, like Guy's Mac Daddy mac and cheese. Here's the menu. No charge at lunchtime, out on the lanai on deck 5. Tip number 6, skip the Cheers alcoholic beverage package unless everyone in your cabin, 21 or older, will drink at least 6 alcoholic drinks a day. Otherwise, you're better off paying for the drinks a la carte, one at a time. You may easily drink more than 6 drinks a day, but if someone else in your room, 21 or older, doesn't drink at all, it may not be worth the price. Tip number 7, escape the crowd and go to the adults-only tide pool at the aft of the Lido deck. It's much quieter, less traffic, no kids, at least not in the pool and hot tubs, and you've got a bar right there, nice and handy. Actually, one of my favorite bars, whether or not you're using the pool, is the Tide's Pool Bar. Tip number 8, book a room on deck 10 to be near the pools and food. As I just mentioned, there's the Tide Pool for the adults, and there's the main pool, both on the Lido deck, and you can be near not only the pools, but Guy's Burger Joint, Blue Iguana Cantina, Pizza, Seafood Shack, and of course the buffet. Before we finish these tips, gotta remind you, if you haven't done so yet, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss additional cruise tips and other cruise information videos. Just click subscribe down below. Now for tip 9. For some quiet time, head to the libraries on deck 4. That's at the front of deck 4, and yes, there's 2 little libraries just across from each other. These libraries are a great place to read a book, play a game, or just get some quiet time away from the crowds of people having a great time on board the ship. Tip number 10, download the Carnival Hub app before your cruise to monitor activities so you can see what's going on each day. You can even select the ones you plan to do, chat with your fellow passengers, monitor your spending account, order food to be delivered to your room, and a lot more. Download the Carnival Hub app now by clicking the link in the description below. For more on the Carnival Breeze, be sure to watch this video next.